This is the Nokia X10, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then go for the network and internet category. Next you gotta open the mobile network section over here, or you can also, open any respective SIM card, doesn't really matter at this point. I'll go for the second one. And at each dedicated SIM card page, you'll find the field that allows you to change the preference for mobile data, phone calls, and SMS messages. As I mentioned, it is the same for both the SIM cards, so it doesn't really matter for which one you'll go for. Alright, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.